now I will describe about my pet dog. Okay, let's start it. I have a pet dog named Handy. Handy is over 10 years old. She has short light brown, round blue eyes, and long ears. Handy is very active, often barks when strangers come over, and love play catch with me. Handy likes eat fried fish, and she is also a loyal guard dog for our family. I love Handy. That's all, and thank you. Bye bye.